Hello everyone, today we will be showing you how to take care of your spider plants and how to propagate them. So today I will be sharing 3 important tips on how to take care of your spider plant. The first thing to consider is lighting. Before purchasing your spider plant, it is important to consider where lighting comes through your living space because spider plants need to be somewhere with bright to moderate light. The second thing to consider is watering. Remember, soil needs to be moist, and to achieve the right amount of moist, you should water your plant at least once or twice per week. Overwatering or underwatering can harm your plant. The third thing to consider is to fertilize. Fertilizing is important because it provides nutrients that plants need to grow. Fertilizing does not have to be expensive. You can use coffee grounds, eggshells, or even purchase plant food at the garden store or even the dollar store. Remember to fertilize every 2 weeks to 3 weeks. If you have any other houseplant care tips, please feel free to share them in the comments below.
Propagating your spider plant is a fun and easy way to grow your collection. When your spider plant is mature enough, it'll start producing pups. To propagate one of the pups, select the pup with the longest aerial roots. These are green nubby roots found at the bottom of each pup. With a pair of scissors, carefully cut your pup off the original stem and place it roots down in a jar of water. Make sure that for the most part, the leaves are not in the water. Place your propagation somewhere where it's going to get plenty of indirect light and replace the water once a week. After about 2 weeks, you'll notice that the pup is putting out healthy white roots, and your plant will be ready to plant in about 6 weeks. When it is ready to be planted, select a small pot with adequate drainage and plant your propagation in an indoor potting soil. Congratulations, you just successfully propagated a spider plant.
Have more questions about propagating spider plants? Pop them into the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
So this video was created for people who are interested in decorating their living space with plants and taking care of them. Since spider plants are often a basic plant for beginners, those who are just getting into owning plants as a hobby make up the most likely audience for this video. This audience will be attracted to our video because people who own indoor houseplants, such as spider plants, are always looking for tips on how to take care of their plants.
We titled our video Spider Plant Care and Propagation 101. We wanted to use enough specific keywords that we were going to attract our intended target audience of people specifically looking for spider plant care information. We didn't want to target people looking for indoor plant care or house plant care because there's just so many houseplants out there that we can't provide information that will cover each one of them. So that's why we're specifically targeting people looking for spider plants. By using enough relevant keywords in our title, we can encourage the YouTube search engine to promote our video to people with relevant search queries.